Florida-based Sing J seeking Jamaica's stamp of approval, with a little help from host producer Izzy Beats.
When you come to money, you know me never broke yet. No, Osage issues make you get upset.
Dilly Chris from Maryland in St. Andrew, not the US, but resident in Florida for well over a decade.
We're so lucky that Florida is one of the states right now that's basically wide open.
Them say, oh, me so clean, I me never bust yet.
And like many overseas-based dancehall acts with new music, back home to promote it.
When you overseas and you're doing dancehall or reggae music, for some reason they don't show you that same respect. I can travel and I give God thanks for that, so I'm here. When you go back home, they show you like you did something great and something big, you know what I mean?
The money man up, get your money up. Yeah.
There's a single, Money Up.
I'll be a buckle, we are buy bill running up.
Money pull up like crazy, because I'm talking about money and that's what most people want to hear.
Produced by Toast beatmaker Izzy Beats. One of 3 credited to the producer on Chris's album My Journey, released today.
Me and Izzy, we met each other, I think it was 2007. At the time when I met him, he was just working with his brother, David Lynn, R&B singer. Izzy had the studio in his mom's house. And we make so much noise, man, that lady. But she was cool with it, because we said, yo, she believed in us, you know what I mean? Izzy, even sometimes he said to me, like, I feel like I want to give up, because, you know, we've been doing it for a while, and nothing ain't happen. And boom, here comes Coffee Toast. And next thing you know, he touring the world right now. Not exactly right now because the COVID is going on right now, but if it wasn't for the pandemic, we would have been all over the world right now. So me and him come together and we create this song called Money Up.
Cause the money man up, get your money up. Yeah. Why them vex? Cause we money now.
There's no genre of music that Izzy can create. Sometimes we don't know where we're going. We just go there and we vibe, and whatever he create, we just work with it from there. But Izzy is an amazing producer. If you look back on the history of dancehall, and the few dancehall artists that cross over, they mostly do that real dancehall boop sound, because overseas, the people them they like, there's a particular dancehall sound that they used to or they really like. So I think sometimes we drifted away from trying to be like them, but that's not what they want to hear. They want to hear the real dancehall music. If you look at an example like Sean Paul and even Beat 'em and all those songs that cross over back in the days, and most of the time you go in the clubs in America, that's the same song they keep hearing every time.
Money in my pocket never broke.
I put myself on an international level, you know what I mean? And I want to see people all over the world enjoying my music, so that's how I'm trying to create my music to be like.
But let's be honest, I mean, the Jamaican artists are all on American sort of hip-hop rhythms right now.
TVJ Khaled! If no man swear the way you are gonna see a million.
Even Buju Banton, Capleton, they're on DJ Khaled's current album, and there's a single there, and it's not a dancehall rhythm.
Right.
It's more like an American-sounding sort of fusion rhythm.
It is, but let's see how long will it last. And I mean, they're definitely gonna like it, because, you know, that's Khaled, and they got the great Buju Banton, Bounty Killer, Barrington Levi, just to name a few artists that's on that track, Capleton as well. But the song is definitely a good song. It's gonna buzz in America, definitely, but I don't know how long it's gonna last, because I said they like the real dancehall music.
Hey girl, you see that sexy body that you have? Y'all I hate to use, make every man a man.
Definitely we need more collaboration coming out of Jamaica, because what I noticed while I'm over in the States, like, if they got 2 hot hip-hop artists come out, guarantee within a couple months, you're gonna see they come together and do a song, and that's more money for each one of them. And this person fan base gonna start listening to this person over here likewise, you know what I mean? So in Jamaica, we need a unity in dancehall. I think like every time you find 2 hot artists here in Jamaica, they intend to want to go against each other. And I hate that. I wish we could just unite more and just make music. And sometimes as an upcoming artist, you probably step to an artist that most established in the business and to ask them for a collabo. And 99% of the time they're going to turn you down because your name is not out there like that. You know what I mean? But if you could take the chance and really listen to that younger artist coming up, you never know. They could bring something and do something for you as well. More unity, more collaboration, no doubt at all.
Yeah, so many guys in the world, yeah.
Some artists, I guess they're doing it for the hype. You know what I mean? You're hot here in Jamaica, you're doing it for the hype, but what about worldwide? You don't want to see your music big worldwide? I don't know.